Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if your Zanussi washer-dryer pressure switch is broken. A washer-dryer pressure switch works by detecting the water level inside your appliance. Therefore, if your washer-dryer pressure switch is broken, it may indicate that the machine is overfilling when it isn't. You'll notice this by the drum not reaching full speed during a cycle or the door becoming locked at all times. This is a safety feature built into the machine. On the other hand, it may do the reverse. The appliance may think it's empty when it's not, and you'll see this by water filling up the drum and may even flood the soap dispenser housing. Either way, you're going to need to carry out a washer-dryer pressure switch replacement to fix it. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and of course a new pressure switch. And you can find a link to these in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. First, you'll need to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws at the back using your Phillips head screwdriver. With the screws removed, you can simply pull the top back and lift away. With the top off, here we can see the pressure switch. Easy enough to remove. Now, when you put your hand inside a machine, do be very careful of any sharp edges that may be in the machine. Simply pull the pressure switch out and the two tabs that hold it in place will come free. Then you just have to remove the electrical connection, just the one, and then using a pair of pliers, remove the Jubilee clip that holds the hose at the bottom in place. Push it down, and then the hose you can simply pull off, like so. In order to find the correct pressure switch for your washer dryer, you're going to need to know the make and the model number. This will ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular appliance. If you have no idea what the model number is or how to find it, don't worry. Check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know. To fit your new pressure switch, simply push the spindle at the bottom into the hose. Then using your pliers, reattach the Jubilee clip to the top of the hose, ensuring it's firmly over the spindle. Then you can push pressure switch tabs into position and then finally refit your electrical connection. You can then replace the top of the appliance. To refit the top, put it into place, making sure the front goes into position inside the front of the appliance, and then you can refit the two screws. So there we have it, how to carry out a Zanussi washer-dryer pressure switch replacement. Hopefully your machine is up and running smoothly once more. To keep your machine running at its optimum performance, check out our video here. 4 easy ways to clean your washing machine to make sure you're getting the very best out of your appliance. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things repair guides, maintenance advice, and some fantastic money and energy saving tips. Thanks for watching.